Hey everyone, today I'm taking a closer look at this Perico refrigerator deodorizer, and this thing is awesome. Just check that out. Came in the mail, nice stainless steel finish type look. It's metal. There's some kind of filter in there. It uses some kind of crazy technology. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. You can use this in your closets, in your cars, in your bathrooms, anywhere where odor is a problem, and it's going to eliminate those odors. Let's take a look in here and let's get rid of this old method. This is the old method that we've been using for years, and now we have technology on our side. We're going to place our Perico just anywhere in the corner we want in the fridge, and then it's going to eliminate any of those odors from the leftover Chinese food and anything else.